Error code 2001 in ARC Raiders indicates a network connectivity problem, resulting in connection failures, matchmaking disruptions, or server timeouts. It typically arises from issues like high network latency, where ping exceeds 200 milliseconds, or significant packet loss above 5%. The problem can stem from either the player's end, such as unstable Wi-Fi, an outdated app, or VPN interference, or from the game's servers, such as overloads during peak times or maintenance. This error interrupts the game's client-server communication, specifically during the initial authentication process, often due to firewall restrictions or ISP throttling. Recent fixes include a patch, version 4.2.1, with improved server architecture, reducing occurrences by 40%. However, issues persist in regions with high latency, like Southeast Asia and South America. NetEase has expanded data centers in these areas, with full rollout expected by Q1 2026. Regular monitoring is available via the live status page at status.orators.net. Begin troubleshooting by restarting the ARC Raiders app and your device. This clears temporary glitches that might cause the error. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for more stability. The T568B wiring diagram shows proper cable setup, reducing latency and packet loss. Verify your internet speed meets the minimum requirement of 10 megabit per second for both download and upload. Run a speed test to check your connection quality. Temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that might block the game's connection. These can interfere with authentication protocols. Clear your DNS cache to resolve domain name issues. This refreshes network connections and can fix connectivity problems. Ensure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause connection instability in online games. Check the ARC Raiders official status page at status.orators.net for server-side issues and maintenance updates. Use tools like Ping Plotter to diagnose latency and packet loss. This helps identify if the issue is on your end or with the network. Visit community forums like r/ArcRaiders for insights from other players and potential workarounds for ongoing issues.